Get ready to be amazed, cause this let completely honest finding Tay is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly the best investment you can make for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it's completely gone. Get ready to be amazed, cause this